Why does the smell of leather instantly make you think of success? Why can the faint aroma of a certain perfume remind you of a powerful meeting or a career breakthrough? It turns out our brains have a secret connection between scent and success, a link so strong it can shape our emotions, decisions, and even performance without us realizing it. Today, we're going deep into the science, the psychology, and the fascinating ways certain smells can program your mind for achievement. Imagine walking into an office and smelling fresh leather chairs, polished wood, and a hint of citrus. You haven't even met anyone yet, but you already feel like you're in a place of power. That's not just your imagination. That's your brain's olfactory system triggering a success mode. And believe it or not, brands, luxury designers, and even some CEOs use this science every single day to influence perception. Your brain's success smells are more powerful than you think. Our sense of smell is directly wired into the brain's limbic system, the area responsible for memory, emotion, and motivation. Unlike sight or hearing, smells don't get processed through a thinking filter first. They go straight to the emotional core. That's why a whiff of something can instantly transport you back to a moment years ago, without you even trying to remember. This is called the Proust effect, named after the French writer Marcel Proust, who famously described how the smell of a tea-soaked cake unlocked vivid childhood memories. Now here's the twist. The same neurological shortcut works not just for nostalgia, but for ambition. If your brain pairs a certain smell with feelings of confidence, success, or achievement, that connection can be triggered anytime you smell it again. The smells that signal success aren't the same for everyone. They can be cultural or personal. In Western luxury culture, common success smells include leather, sandalwood, bergamot, and tobacco leaf, scents tied to wealth and exclusivity. In some Eastern contexts, jasmine, oud, and incense are considered prestigious. And personally, your own success smell might be as simple as the coffee you drank while studying for your biggest exam, or the perfume you wore at your first big job interview. These are what psychologists call emotional anchors, sensory triggers that recall a specific emotional state. When that emotional state is confidence, pride, or victory, the anchor becomes a success smell. Luxury brands have known this secret for decades. They use scent marketing, the intentional use of specific aromas to shape customer perception. High-end car brands often infuse their leather interiors with a richer, warmer scent to give that new car success feeling. Hotels like the Ritz-Carlton use signature fragrances in their lobbies so you associate your stay with luxury. Even clothing brands will scent their stores to make shoppers feel more confident and willing to spend.